I'll never forget that boy. And how we won back our freedom together.
Hear the wind call my name, the sound that leads me home again. It sparks up the fire, a flame that still burns. To you I will always